What is going on, Earth2 novice, enthusiasts, and everyone in between? Welcome back to another episode in which we are going to be discussing Earth2, of course. Now, I've got some announcements that I want to go over. These are straight from CEO of Earth2, our commander, chief, and messiah of the new world, Shane Isaac. I've decided to break them up in a number of different videos so they don't get too lengthy, and it allows you to get to just the videos that are of interest to you. Hopefully all of them are, but I'll probably also have some links popping up above, and maybe even some links in the show notes. I don't know. Let's see if I remember to put them there. And if you want to skip ahead to different content, by all means do that. And also, remember, while you're down there, check out the other links, namely the sign-up link that will get you into the raffle for me to use your referral code, as well as enter the weekly LAN giveaway. So we've got two awesome prizes that you have the potential of winning for just filling out one contact form. Also, as a third benefit of that form, you will be put on my email list. Sometimes I don't have the time to shoot and edit and post a video, but I do get emails out pretty quickly, so definitely you want to sign up for that form because you'll be put on the email list, you'll be put into the referral raffle, and you will be put into the free LAN giveaway raffle. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to the correct channel. Intentional Being is the channel that I go live on. I will post Earth2 content on both channels, Intentional Being and Meal Prep Biz 101, but I only go live on Intentional Being, and I post first to Intentional Being. So if you really want up-to-date information, make sure you're subscribed to Intentional Being. Make sure you've got those alert notifications on, and make sure you filled out that contact form so you're on the email list and you don't miss a single thing. But now that we've got that out of the way, let's jump into today's episode. All right, Shane, the CEO, Shane Isaac of Earth2, has an announcement related to bots, and this was something that I knew would eventually be an issue. I've seen it in Forex and stocks and even in cryptocurrency, and we've obviously seen it all over social media. What can't you do with bots these days? Well, here's the quick message from him. Purchases on Earth2 are to be made manually by a person, not bots. Sorry, bots. If you are using a bot to automatically purchase tiles on Earth2, we suggest you stop now. We are working on solutions to prevent purchases being made by bots, and validation on purchases will soon be required. See, a couple of bad apples out there scamming people, playing with bots and whatever else. I don't know why they're even doing this. I've got some assumptions, like maybe they're buying a bunch of small chunks of land, like if you're buying one tile at a time, but you want to buy 750 of them. I could see you writing a script to do that. But I'm sure all those transactions going in consecutively slow down their servers, which cuts into my experience and your experience if you're not doing this. And that's who Shane is looking to, protect. Really, bots give an unfair advantage. And what I like is a lot of the decisions and rollouts that they seem to be doing, things like countdowns for when Dubai is coming out and other things like that. It seems like they're very intentful on keeping things as fair as possible, which is great, especially for people who are new to Earth2. If you are new, by the way, I've got an entire series of Earth2 videos that'll bring you up to speed pretty quickly, get you familiar with the vernacular and strategies and different phases and what's going on and what all this crazy stuff means. But getting back to this, even if you are new, they're doing their best to make sure that this is as enticing as possible for you to become involved in, for you to feel like you're a part of Earth2 at a similar level to someone who's been on for months, because really it's only been around for months at the time of this recording, and you're still very early on. So when you see them going to this extent to keep everything fair, they're penalizing scammers. I think they're going to be taking away ill-gotten properties from scammers and just maybe banning them from Earth2. It's great. They're doing such a phenomenal job at making this, in really from a product standpoint, selling this game, this platform as a product, as we are basically investors in this. So I'm looking at this not only as a player, but also an investor. I like seeing that because that shows that this company has a long term. They want to be insidious, but like in a good way. They want to be as widely accepted and have as much participation with as many different people, perpetuity, well into the future, which is great because, again, as an investor, you want to see something that has a sustainable mindset. They want people 5 years from now to still be very interested in buying their first Earth 2 property. Now, it's going to be way more expensive than what we're paying for, obviously, right now. That's why it's great to be getting in when we're getting in, but I assure you that 5 years from now, they're going to have some innovative plans that still make this a very appealing thing for people to join. And I'm very excited about that. So in any case, that's pretty much all I've got for you in this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Check out the links in the show notes. Make sure that you are subscribed, you're tuned into the right channel, all that jazz. And make sure you catch my next episode. Until then, I look forward to helping you navigate this miraculous, mystical, mysterious, marvelous, magnanimous world of Earth 2. See you next time.